What up, YouTubers and YouTubettes? This is part 3 of my house remodel, or this 3-story house remodel I'm doing. And so, just to show you guys where I'm at. So I'm all taped up and I'm ready to start putting on my surface compound. And show you what I did for my corners like this. It's double wrapped in the metal. And I need another piece of flashing, but I'm gonna do that backwards right here. But so my next step is basically I'm gonna fill right here in where it's rotted away, and then I'm gonna level it across. I mean, I use the word level loosely because it's gonna have a slight slope. And so this is just like the same kind of tape you'd use, mesh tape you'd use on sheetrock. And then the compound I'm going to use is this. It says for interior on it, but it's gonna get basically a rubber coating over the top of it. And the back of it says that that's all right, because I couldn't get enough of it, of that one. And then I got this one here, which this one, it says that you can do the exterior. But yeah, so anyways, just figured I'd show you guys where I'm at on this. And then, one other thing I got, obviously if I have the metal on the front, you can see I got my fascia on all the way down. Alright, well, back to it. So the other Bondo stuff that I was using didn't work for crap. But it did work really well for filling in like this around the edges where the wood was rotted out or whatever. You know, make a good impervious filler. I mean, like right there, there's tons of rot there. And an ant nest. But then you can see where I did my actual coating. It still is going to get one more coat and then primered, which I'm just using this thin set stuff, and it works way better. Yeah. Oh, and I want to see, so you can see this. So this has the drip edge that went all the way down in it on the corner here, right? And it's solid under there. I mean, here's a crack right here in the middle where it overlap. So I mean, nothing. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, so I just got done putting on a bit more of this cover. Kind of see where I'm getting to. And yesterday, while I was waiting for some of it to dry, I put this door in, which this is the door that goes into this room that I've tore out and rebuilt under this wall. And so, yeah, which this door is short, and this is a vinyl jamb, and so I had to cut out all the notches for the door hinges. Kind of a pain in the ass, actually, and because it chips like crazy. But I got the trim all on and painted and caulked, all primered, and then get this all on. And so once it's dry, I'd be ready to primer it so I can put my rubber finish coat on, at least to the front door. And then that railing right there, that matches all the way around the deck and all right here, so I get to put that all back on and weld it back together. And with this stupid little lip here. So yeah, that is part 3. chipping away at it.